alive?
No, it's not alive.
In 2 weeks, open it.
Here.
Oh, okay. I'm scared. Oh! It's a girl. We said it was a girl before you got here.
This isn't working.
Okay, well. Oh, cute, it's a girl. I mean, we didn't care, but hey, we're happy. Oh, how sweet.
This is gonna be stuck forever.
It got stuck in the ball moss.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that was a clever way to announce it.
I thought so. And we got silly string.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that is cute. Ah. Pink silly string, okay. You know why I thought it was a girl? Because you dreamed it was a girl.
Hey!